Hello student, today our topic is the kite. This poem is given in the Honeysuckle book. So dear children, let's start this poem. Now the kite. This poem is written by Hari Ben. Before starting the poem, we will do a brief introduction of the poet. Now in this picture you can see this is the picture of Hari Ben. He was a male writer. He was an American screenwriter and children's author. He was born on 24 September 1898, Arizona, United States, and he died on 6 September 1973, Greenwich, United States. Then he did his graduation from the Harvard University in 1922. Dear student, Hari Ben, he wrote for the children and he was involved in writing scene and screenplay, including he wrote for some movies also like Big Parade and Hell's Angel. So he was a very famous poet. So let's start today's poem. Before starting the poem, just a brief introduction. In this poem, dear students, you will get information about a kite. How is the movement of kite in the sky? It is very simple and very interesting also, because mostly children, or I can say all children, like flying, means they want to fly kites. So let's start this. All of us like to fly. All of us like to fly kites. Have you ever tried to fly one? Read this poem about a kite as it flies in the sky. Maybe you all are having the experience of flying kite, and some of you are really excited about this poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. How bright on the blue means the sky is very bright. Here blue stand for the sky. Here blue stand for the sky. And when any kite is new, then it looks very beautiful in the sky. And the kite will move with the dive and deep, means how will be the movement. Dive and deep refers to the movement. It means to go into water with the force and softness together, means how a ship, you can see, you can take example of a fish can also dive in the water. Maybe you have seen in any movie or any picture. So same here, kite will also take swift, means it will move in the with the wind, and when it will move with the wind, then it will makes noise. It snaps its tail, means tail, you can see this part. This is a kite, and this part, this is the tail. This lower part, this is the tail of a kite, and when it will fly in with the wind, then it will make a noise. Only in first passage brief introduction is given. When any kite is new, then it looks very beautiful. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Here in the next part, the kite is compared with the ship. The kite is compared with the ship here. And firstly, how is the movement of ship in water? When the water current is very fast, then ship means it will increase its speeds. It will rides on the waves. So here in these lines, the movement of kite is given when the wind is very fast. The current of wind is very fast, then it will also ride means it has fast movements. Then climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. And when the current of wind will become very slow, it will it is not fast, then it seems the kite is taking rest. Dear student, simple thing is it is very simple. In these lines, a kite is compared with a ship, and when the wind is very fast, then it will move with the it will move very fast with the wind. And when the current of wind will become very slow, then it seems means kite is taking rest. It will not move fast. So simply these things are given. Such if we are talking briefly, then you can say such moves help it to float in the sky, just waves rising and falling with the sudden blow of the winds. Means when wind is fast, then the kite will fly so high, and if wind will become slow, then kite will take rest. It seems kite is taking rest here. Then next part, when string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. String. What is a string here? The kite. You will hold this kite with a string, this thread. This is the string of this kite. When the thread tied to the kite means when the air will blow, when the wind will blow fast, then you will lose that string. You will give some permission means the kite can fly high, and when the air means wind will become slow, then you hold that string tightly. When string goes slack means you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. You will wait for the new breeze. When the breeze will blow again, then you will move the string and the kite will fly high again. It is given. Then next, and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is a new. And again, when the breeze will blow, then kite will go very high and its wing fill. Like means kite is taking its flight. Kite will fly with the wind. And kite, if kite is new, then it will look very bright and beautiful in the sky. But a rectangular thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Then in last, the poet says, who handle means a person is handling the kite now. Who handles the kite has to wait for the wind to blow. The person who is holding the string of kite, that person wait for the wind, movement of wind, then it will help him. The kite moves up with the help of the wind. The same kite which looks bright in the sky when it is new appears ugly means it it will not appear beautiful. Ugly means you can say not beautiful. It will appear ugly when it is torn out. If any kite is torn means how it will be torn. Suppose if stuck in any tree, okay, stuck on any pole, then kite can be torn and it will look very ugly. It looks dirty, unattractive on the branches of any tree. It flutters in the wind on the top of tree. And when any kite is stuck on any tree, then only it can flap, means it can't fly then. In the last line it is given, when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. When any kite is stuck on any tree, then you can't fly that kite and it won't help you. So this is your poem. I hope you have understood, and if you are having any problem, then you can ask. Simply the movement of kite is given, dear students. It's very simple. In first part means how the kite look. When kite is new, then it will look beautiful. Then in second, the kite is compared with the ship, and here means the person who is holding the string, that person will wait for the movement of wind. And if any kite is torn, then how it looks ugly. So thank you